Do you ever think, this is me, but I think that I can do better. And you guys, really, this video has nothing to do with makeup, but we can do better, right? We can do better. Okay, so let's just talk a little bit about makeup, though. This is my VFX foundation. Absolutely love it. One pump. The coverage is incredible. It is a photo filter technology, too. Plus, you add this plumping concealer. Yes, plumping means it's setting on top of the skin. Literally incredible. Love it. I put it in the inner corners, kind of blend it around. This concealer buffing brush is a must. I'm kind of a brush snob, and I'm going to tell you, Farmasi's brushes, they're hit or miss. This one is a hit. You need it, and it's like $8. Brows. Figure out where they go. You guys, it's 2021. We need brows. I don't think brows are going anywhere anytime soon. So pick up some brow powder. Just get a cheap product. You don't got to get something fancy, something expensive, okay? Get a brush. Try whatever brush you want. I've tried like 15. I like Farmasi's brush really well. I've currently lost it, so I'm using this Jaclyn Hill one. But and then this brow gel gives you that feathered brow. I'm not certain I love it, but I do it because it's a trend, and well, I kind of like trends, right? So then I like this BB powder for setting under eye because it adds so much moisture, and moisture means less wrinkles, okay? So yeah, it's a day and age of fall is coming. Fall is here. Oh my gosh, winter is coming, which I love winter because I love snow, but I'm losing my tan and I don't love that. So this is your 3-in-1 palette. It's incredible and it's easy to use. You're going to contour with that brown, you're going to do blush with the pink, and then you're going to highlight. But you guys, it's more than just contour, blush, and highlight. It's freaking eyeshadow. Put some of that red in the crease, blend it out with the brown, throw some highlight on. If you don't like pink eyeshadow, just use the brown. This is a quick thing for when you're traveling, when you don't have a lot of space, when you want to use minimal products. And guys, blending is a cardio. Don't be afraid of it. Blend until your heart is content and you are happy as a little lark. Like you're literally a songbird singing your song, because you guys, we can do better. We can be strong. We can be confident. We can feel beautiful. And maybe that's eyeshadow for you. Maybe it's not. I don't know. But I'm going to add some falsies because they make me feel pretty fancy. And then this Cool Girl lipstick. Ooh. Ladies, 12-hour staying power. Not for me because I added over a lip plumper, but yeah, if you put it on straight lips. But you guys, add a wig, do a little dance.